Our military has a critical need to provide troops with a modern, highly protected light vehicle. Think back to 2002 and the beginning of the war in Iraq. The battlefields have evolved tremendously during the last decade. Threats like IEDs have continued to grow, and operating environments in theater today require more off-road mobility than ever before. The Oshkosh Defense Team has been supporting the United States military operations in Iraq and Afghanistan the entire time with heavy and medium fleets, as well as the MRAP all-terrain vehicle, or MATV. So when you combine our extensive operating experience with the engineering know-how at Oshkosh, designing protected, powerful, light vehicles is a natural move for us. The vehicle we've developed is the LATV, or Light Combat Tactical All-Terrain Vehicle. The LATV meets all of the JLTV program requirements, and it's a step forward for light combat vehicles for some very big reasons. First, we've designed a next-generation version of our TAC-4 independent suspension system. It's known as the TAC-4i Intelligent Independent Suspension System. Our existing TAC-4 system has proven very successful on the MATV, MTVR, and many other vehicles. And actually, there are more than 20,000 military vehicles in operation today. TAC-4 is considered the industry's gold standard for 70% off-road mission profiles. The new TAC-4i system uses a proprietary technology developed by Oshkosh, and it really takes off-road performance to a new level. TAC-4i provides 20 inches of independent wheel travel, adjustable ride height for transport, and greater speeds over tough terrain. That means better mobility and survivability on the battlefield, and a better ride quality for our men and women who sometimes spend hours on end enduring some very rough terrain. In short, the LATV meets the JLTV mobility requirements with ease. As I mentioned earlier, protecting our troops is a driving factor in the military's light vehicle programs. We've taken an advanced armored capsule approach and implemented it into a light vehicle. This modular design builds upon the proven design on the MATV, which has helped save thousands of troops' lives over the past few years. The scalable, modular design allows additional armor and enhancements to be installed in theater to meet the threat level. We're also using a modern technology engine on the LATV that offers a greater range of capabilities than the existing light fleet, integrated vehicle diagnostics, and improved fuel efficiency, which is a key factor as the military continues to improve energy efficiency and reduce its reliance on fuel in theater. The LATV fills a gap for protected mobility in a lighter vehicle. We feel like we're in the best position to offer this solution because we're the only OEM that has successfully progressed from providing the military's heavy fleets to its lightest MRAP vehicles. We have tremendous experience in managing the life cycle of these fleets, from vehicle research and development and design to production, training, and sustainment support. Our LATV testing has been robust. We've had a team working on our light vehicle designs throughout the TD phase, but at our own expense. Since then, we've designed 6 generations of light vehicles and conducted more than 20,000 miles of government equivalent testing on the LATV vehicle itself, in addition to more than 50,000 miles of testing on the subsystems. In fact, Oshkosh completed the Baja 1000 off-road race in November last year with an LATV prototype vehicle, the LCTV. The Baja is one of the most challenging off-road races in the world, and typically only 50% of all vehicles that enter the race will finish. We were excited to push the limits over the 1,061-mile course, but thrilled to successfully finish it. It was an excellent real-world proving ground for our technologies over a lot of unpredictable terrain. The LATV is a perfect representation of what we do at Oshkosh. It's all about continuing our tradition of innovation. Right here in the Oshkosh Global Technology Center, we actually have the first 4-wheel drive vehicle Oshkosh produced more than 90 years ago, known as Old Betsy. That vehicle is a reminder of what's helped Oshkosh become the go-to provider for the best military vehicles, with a proven record of success in supporting the warfighter. LATV is no exception. It will give our troops the off-road mobility, protection, and performance they need to complete their missions and get back home safely.